Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from you guys. So I went on Roblox and I had to see what is going on. So here at the top of the screen, as you can see, we have this error. We are aware that there is an issue with saving changes to avatars on Roblox. Our team is actively working on resolving this issue. So I also went on Roblox and I had to see if I am the only person who has these problems or just a few, or there are many people who are having it. So as you can see here on X, we are not the only ones who are having problems with Roblox right now. This guy says Roblox, the servers are down, and if you scroll down you will see this screen right here, screenshot. We are aware that there is an issue, exactly the same problem that we have. So guys, you are not the only one who are having this problem, so you just have to wait until they fix this problem. If you still want to try to fix it, you should log out from your app and then log in once again. You can restart your phone and see if it works. And if it doesn't, you can go to your settings and clear the cache and the data and go once again into your app and see if it works. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can comment in the comment section down below what specific problem you are having, and I will make sure to answer to you guys as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.